Okay, today we're going to start looking at logarithms. So these are going to be integrals involving logarithmic functions. Okay, so we're going to start with the rules. Okay, so here are the rules that we use that involve logarithms. Okay, so the first one is, again, I wrote this in different ways because you'll see this in different forms, but they're all the same. So this integral is always equal to the natural log of the absolute value of x plus c, and we put the absolute value signs around x because we don't know what the values of x could be. If we say the values of x could be all real numbers, then we got to put the absolute value signs around them because, again, natural logs cannot be negative. Can't have negative values inside the natural log. Okay, so, okay, I said that wrong. Natural logs can be negative. The argument inside the natural log cannot be negative. Okay, so we put the absolute value signs around it. Now, in some application type problems where we know that x is always positive or non-negative, then we can drop the absolute value signs in those certain situations. But in general, we want the absolute value signs there. Okay, in the next two, there are no absolute value signs needed. So now, in this one here, this is a particular case where this is the general case. This involves natural logs. This involves any log of any base. Okay? So the integral of the natural log of x is going to be x times ln of x minus x. Now, we're going to show that that's true later on. Okay, this actually, we can derive this using another technique that we'll introduce later. But it's good just memorize this, but then later on we'll be able to derive it if you forget. Okay, so the integral of the natural log of x is x times the natural log of x minus x plus c, or we can factor out the x and write it this way. And then finally, the general rule for any log is that we're going to take the x divided by the natural log of a, the base, times this plus c. So notice that very similar. The only difference is when we're dealing with the natural log, the base is e, and the natural log of e is 1. Okay, so it goes away. And that's it. So we're going to be using these rules along with substitution to solve for antiderivatives, to find the antiderivative, or to solve integrals, definite or indefinite, or not indefinite, definite and, yeah, indefinite integrals. And that's it. Have a great day.